Hi viewers, today I'm going to use and discuss two major important topics in PowerPoint. All of us, we know that PowerPoint is widely used in making some presentations. But yes, PowerPoint also requires some quick tools and techniques which can make your task very easy. So I'm going to discuss two things. One is how we can effectively use slide master in our PowerPoint presentation. And second thing, how multiple files we can view or we can manipulate, or maybe we can compare to different PowerPoint files. So these two topics I'm going to discuss in this video. For all of your understanding, I am sharing the screen, and basically I am sharing these slides which I have made just to explain what are the basic topics that I am going to use. So first of all, we shall discuss about slide master view. If we work with a single slide means this is one slide. You can see here only one slide is available in this file. So to explain you in a better way, I have opened another file. You can see that this is a file containing multiple number of slides. And here you can see that total 11 slides are there. And all of these slides are containing some different materials. Now, at a particular time, suppose you want to apply some company logo over here, maybe on the right-hand side. Now, it is containing only few slides. As I told, it is containing only 11 slides. But what will happen if the number of slides are more? Maybe it is 50, maybe it is 60. Then manually inserting a particular logo is very difficult, and I should say it is also a time-consuming process. So how we can quickly do it, I am showing you. You can see that parallelly I have opened another slide. Now this particular slide, you can see that a small logo is there. This logo, if we normally try to select, this logo is not selectable. Why? And if it is not selectable, then how is it appearing on the slide? So let's try to apply some quick techniques. Whenever such situations will come, remember, you have to always search for the view option. Inside view options, you can see normal view, outline view, slide sorter, notes, reading view, and of course, there is our slide master. So the slide master works as a major template which can be applicable for upcoming slides. So if I click on this slide master, here you can see that already the logo Innovative Technology Solutions and another company's logo is attached. So I'm basically selecting this particular thing. I can make a copy, or the same Control C, Control V will also work. So I'm selecting, I'm using Control C, suppose. Now I am coming back to this slide because the same logo I have to apply, but I am not pasting in all one by one in every slide. So what I'm doing, I am again going to the slide master. Now you see that this slide master, it is containing a blank. So somewhere I can click here, I can paste it. And further, I can push it towards the right. Now I am saving this particular file, and once again from the view menu, once again I am coming to the normal option. Earlier I was in slide master view. From slide master view, now I am coming to the normal view. The moment I will see normal view, you can see that here the logo is applied, and not only here, I can see in other slides also the same logo is appearing. So I have reduced my task. Instead of applying the logo individually on different slides, definitely I can reduce, and in a single shot, I have applied the same logo across every slide. So this is how effectively you can use slide master view from PowerPoint presentation. It is very helpful and often used when multiple documents require uniform formats. Our second topic is how you can handle multiple files. So you can see that we have already opened 3 different files. This is one. Apart from that, the previous one where just I have applied this logo, and also another presentation file is opened where we had copied the logo from this particular file. So let's once again coming to the view and normal mode. So in a way, I have opened 3 different slides, but normally PowerPoint shows the currently active files, whether it is the first one or second one or the third one. Always you will try to see that it is almost occupying the entire area of the screen. But I want to make a comparison. So for that, all the necessary files I can open, and further I can go to the view. Once again, I'm choosing the view option. And here you can see these are the options. One is arrange all, one is cascade, another is new window. So for example, at this time, let me click on this cascade. So what is happening, you will find, you see that here, look at all the files are coming in the form of a card. That means one is coming on top of another. However, if you select some other option, for example, here I am saying arrange all. Now, arrange all will do what? It will try to arrange all the files. Your whole screen will be divided into n number of frames. N here means any number where all the open files you can see. And if you want to carry out some operations, you can click here. So automatically you can type or modify the design. If something is required to be copied and pasted, definitely you can come, and at this moment, this particular file will become active. And similarly, if you want to select something or if you want to refer from this third slide, definitely you have to click, or you can copy this whole thing and paste it somewhere in some other file. And this is the way how we can quickly manage different files under one particular screen. Otherwise, people has to open and close, or may have to switch from one particular file to another particular file. So this particular option, or this particular technique rather to say, can help you a lot, and it saves your time quite effectively. I hope you have liked these small tips, and for more such knowing tools and techniques, you can log on to www.itstechschool.com. Thank you.